everybody. We are study Computer Education ราชภัฏมหาสารคาม University. M รุ่งทันศรีทรัพย์
M เจริญวิทัดแก้ว
M นภาทิพย์แก้วดุแสง
M สายสมรชมพูทอง
M สาวนาแก้วเกต
M อริมนพิมพ์เรานา
We are presentation operating system. A computer or virtual machine can be calculated, processing instead a human being. The people do not exist. However, the computer will run is the operating system is its body. To the operating system, therefore, in the computer machine, Unit 1, Introduction Operating System. Unit 2, Structure of the Operating System. Unit 3, Device Manager. Unit 4, Security and Defense. And Unit 5, Example of Operating System. Hello, we are Presentation Operating System. Unit 1, Introduction Operating System. Unit 2, Structure of the Operating System. Unit 3, Device Manager. Unit 4, Factor and Example of Operating System. Unit 1, Introduction to Operating System. The operating system is a program or set of the instructions that are interpret or coordinate between in the hardware of the machine. Component of the computer. 1. Part of the machine. 2. The application. 3. Operating system. 1. Part of the machine including CPU, memory, and input device and display. These are considered computing resource. 2. The application determines the use of computing resource to solve the problem. 3. Operating system control and coordination between applications of this use as well as the allocation resource appropriately. Picture how to work multiple user and multiple computer. The function of the operating system. 1. Unit interface. 2. Control device and the computer. 3. Allocation of resource in the system. 1. Unit interface. The user can control the operating of the operating system, which allows the user to type a command or select the desired symbol in order to deal with the computer operating system as needed. 2. Control device and the computer. Because the user can be associated with multiple computing devices, the user may not need have a better understand the work. 3. Allocation of resource in the system. Resource is being used for the program to be carried out, such as CPU, memories. Guys, picture. User next to application next to operating system and hardware. The hardware Movie, operating system, movie, application, and user. Unit 2, structure of the operating system. Level within the system. 1. The first layer of the kernel. Layer 1, the first layer of the kernel. To speed up the work because it's the very basic and is running very frequently. Thus, the kernel usually wired is assembly language. Assembly and is based on the hardware of the machine. Kernel manager. Every task hardware is from down. 2. The level memory manager. Level 2 memory manager is responsible for dealing with the memory of the system, such as memory page. Feature. Class 1 hardware. 2. Kernel. 3. Memory manager. Level 3 Input-output control system. Input-output control system is a response for managing the input-output system. Feature. Up to input-output system is level 4 file manager. File manager is responsible for management tasks and associated with the file to dice and file for reading file information of the file. Feature. Up to file manager. This is feature. Level 5 short team scheduling. Short team scheduling. The first level feature are dependent of the hardware is responsible for the process in the reading queue. Up to feature. Short team secondary. Level 6 resource manager. Resource manager the level of the retire, allocate other resource in the system. Feature. Up to level resource manager. Level 7 long team scheduler is responsible for management and control process. In such system, a variety of new process in the system are stopped. When the process is complete. This picture up to long team shoulder and the level 8 child and the command interpreter. Child and the command interpreter, the final layer is the layer closest to the end user, have direct contact with the user. A picture. Level 1 to level 8 and hardware kernel, memory manager, input output and file manager, source short team scheduler, resource manager, long team scheduler, and child or command interpreter. This is a level.
Unit T Device Manager. Device characteristic. The device has the following two characteristics. 1. Input-output device. to storage device. This is picture to example device manager. Different input and output device. Input device. The computer is a device that can send and process things from the outside world. For example, a card reader, keyboard, mouse. Output. Output device is a device that allows a computer control or affect the external world, such as monitor and printer. Type of output device. Component output can be divided into two types. One stream, two non-stream. One stream send information to send out the priority. The discriminating information can be identified by examining the sequence of information, such as printer, keyboard. Two non-stream send and receive data does not depend to the order of delivery. Request additional information in order to identify each character and how to deal with particular, including the monitor. Storage device. A storage device uses to store information on your computer. Data can be retrieved or recorded rather. This is picture and example storage device. Type of storage device. There are two types of storage device. One, serial access storage device. Two, direct access storage device. One, serial access storage device. Access to a sequence recommend to the device location. The data is stored as a group is not access the group, including text. This is picture and example serial access storage device. Two, direct access storage device. The data is stored in a box or sector level. Each group has its one access rate, including this. Unit 4. Security and Defense. Safety factor. System will be secure and protected for the system to ensure that the information in the computer system must not be lost and not being accessed by unauthorized process or not allowed. Factors that after security include 1. Threat. 2. Intruder. 3. Accidental data loss. Security of data. 1. Cryptography. It is also the data to be sent over the network in a format that is not readable. With encryption, keep it confidential. It is only those who have access to information that can be reached by the decoder. 2. Digital signature. Digital signature, also known as digital signature, used to identify an independent to express its intention to access the contents of the document and depending the denial of reproducible imply the reliability of transaction together. 3. Digital certificate. Digital certificates permission to use digital certificates is to improve the readability of task caption sharing on the internet is a network entity that can issue a digital certificate. This is a center original that has a population for reliability that is the center original that classification authority. 4. Classification authority or CA. CA is an enterprise authorization to issue original certificates with private authorization for the following several user authentication, cryptography to encrypt and decrypt messages with different techniques with the use of mathematics or applied mathematics to be imposed. The original text message or a message that is encrypted that can be learned or cannot be understood without a key. Picture 1. Request for digital certificate. 2. Digital certificate. 3. Client. 4. Certificate processes as authenticator. 5. Website or other transaction partner. Attack form it in the system. Which did attack? The attacker or hacker will try to access one or more way. Can attack any of the following way. 1. Trojan horse. 2. Lock chassis. 3. Logic bomb. 4. Trapdoor. Mechanism for protection. Operating system which is responsible for controlling the operating of a computer system. Mechanism needs to be used to protect components. The system itself, the design goal is protection. 1. The reliability of the system. 2. Against terrorism and a threat to the system. 3. Detection of an abnormal operation that will result in system damage.
Unit 5. Example of operating system. Definition of the operating system. DOS is an operating system for the IBM PC. IBM PC for cable partition, who and been very popular in the past. DOS is an operating system that we have as a single task. This means that while the computer is running on it, have to wait for it to finish before you can use another computer to work. Number 2. MS-DOS. MS-DOS operating system for Microsoft on PC, compatible with 16-byte PCs up to Microsoft stand for Microsoft. Number 2. Instruction is MS-DOS is divided two types. 1. International command. A command that really excite with the system. External command is
Command must be run from a CD or a backup. Memory to store a variety for this command. Next two. The PC-DOS is an operating system developed by Microsoft and IBM cooperation between companies to use with IBM is particular by PC stand for professional computer. Picture. Picture is PC-DOS. Next two. The definition. The novel is DOS. Novel is DOS operating system was developed that is portable or networking was developed by a company for DOS digital research. Next two. The definition of Windows. Operating system which was developed by Microsoft released year 25-26 and dominate the personal computer market in more than 90% of the global. Next two. This is a Windows 1. Windows 1 was the first version of the Windows operating condition. Was officially launched on 20 November 25-28 a 16-bit environment called operating environment called Windows 1 does not have the ability to work on their own. Request a separate operating system. Definition of Windows 2. Windows 2 was launched on November 25-13. Also request dot to the capacity increase compared to one. For example, an open many programs overlap and have a Microsoft Word and Excel and have the minimize and maximize and the order shortcut for the first time in Windows 2. Windows and Macintosh are very small. The lawsuit and the copyright own two companies, namely Microsoft and Apple. Two. The definition of Windows 2.1. Windows 2.1 was launched on 27 May 25 31 to a working environment that replaces DOS. There are two versions of the Windows. Version is 268 and 318, which run the Intel and process with the consider and some the result, but not much. Next two. The definition of Windows 3. Windows 3 was launched 22 May 25. Also request DOS and Angel process with the but Windows 3 was a graphic design for a new computer, a management system, ROM and RAM memory, efficient than previous model, running program and more efficient by left and right. It also has a new program that is installed with Windows Notepad. So right then, the highly successful Windows and a clear computer to Apple Macintosh. The definition of Windows NT 3.1. The Windows NT 3.1 was released on June. The first version of the Windows operating system that can work on their own. This computer into Windows does not need to anymore and design from assembly demanding it to a 32-bit operating system, and this stand for new technology has the ability to support server type of computer architecture. Two. This is Windows NT 3.5. Windows NT 3.5 was released on September. Release of Windows NT 3.1. Microsoft primary objective on the development of Windows NT 3.5 is to speed up the operating of Windows on such as with that including the ability to mark and file name up to 255 characters and the minimum system recommended are low that can be programmed with your computer every more. The Windows NT 3.61 released on May. Windows cannot run the list architecture, and this version is compatible and also support the client server and compression NTFS file or not. The definition of Windows 95. Windows 95 on Windows 4, not NT, was launched August. Is the next generation of Windows. The Windows 3.1 was the first version that targeted individual users that include a DOS window can run on both 16 oh no 16 and 22-bit with the current start menu and the taskbar for the first time. Windows 95 highly successful. Windows 95 is the highest peak of the window breaking. The night definition of Windows NT 4. The Windows NT version 4 was launched on June. Focusing on network marketing will be more smaller. To the Windows 95 interface, but the system is more stable by active and API. Application programming interface to mark software and hardware. The Windows interface is the same standard. Windows NT version 4 is considered to have been the reformer for DOS group the server machine. Small tool range at percent there is still enough left to see more of the old server. Definition of Windows 98. The Windows 98 or Windows 4.1, not NT, released on June, is the next generation operating system. Windows 95, Windows 98 was the highlight of the WDM and V+D and WDM driver of the new Windows version. I have mainly used the older standard Windows 98 is not compatible with the version of Windows 98 which mark the connector between the old and the new. The definition of Windows 2000. The Windows 2000 or Windows NT version 5 was released February. NT operating system, the goal is for advanced use and good. While this model is divided into 5 professional server, advanced server, data center server, advanced server, 64-bit limited edition. The device of Macintosh operating system. Mac OS is an operating system for Macintosh computer, but produced by Apple Computer. Mac OS is an operating system with a graphical user interface (GUI). The first commercially successful advantage is the advantage of Mac OS. Advantage 1. Mac OS update and develop their own point to understand the behavior of the application. Is the understand use chart. 2. System is stable. Fast-to-use interface and user-friendly than older system. 3. Mac OS was built then on a There are not many options. The system must run the hardware that support only. 3. There are license issues. 4. macOS does not work well on PC. The definition of Macintosh operating system changed. Macintosh operating system 10 is a family of operating system. The last version of Mac operating system for Macintosh computer first released for 2001 include two main parts. The core Darwin, which is unique operating environment of the open source, and the Aqua user interface Aqua, which is property of Apple computer. The definition of Unix. Unix is an operating system started in Bell Labs in 1969 as a system and interactive time sharing with Ken Thompson and Dennis Ritchie and considered the inventor. System written in hand, the freeware with the part expression and new idea in multiple versions. Future of Unix 1. Multitasking. 2. Multi-user. Multitasking is a word at once at the same time. 3. There is no time to wait. Device into the foreground and background. Multiple user. Multiple user Unix can support more than one user at the same time or sometimes simply use it for multiple concurrent use itself. The definition of Linux. Start of Linux development and develop employment in particular. Those do who. Currently, Linux is popular because of the system that is self-reliable, independent, and low price. Linux initially developed for the Intel 386 microprocessor. After that, the Opera. Today, Linux has developed a wide range of applications in computer architecture and systems as well as mobile phone and video cameras. Linux developer start developing Linux be the first kernel Linux Torvalds is a Finnish computer on web has was a student at the University of Helsinki. Pedro Wallata began the development of the kernel. We started in the university taught a system smaller to Linux mining, which and a book about the design of the operating system and model of writing a new one. The definition of Ubuntu. Ubuntu operating system is a development for system unit, such as Macintosh operating system 10. However, the user is freeware available and not closed and can be freely modified. Advantage, disadvantage of Ubuntu. Advantage 1. No virus to worry because I use it less. Although the virus cannot run because the host does not have Windows. 2. As soon as I boot with it, but is not available. Do not wait for the program to load. 3. A loss of game and all free of change. 4. Can run. Example. With no memory runs on Windows by use Y. This disadvantage. 1. English is not perfect in some applications. 2. People who just may be the difficulty. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.